Hello, and this is day 2 of Subsea Expo. We're joined by Tony from Crondall Energy. Welcome, Tony.
Thank you very much. Yeah, good to be here. Good to see so many people here as well.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think today seems to be a little bit busier from what I can see so far than yesterday, which is good. Tony, tell us a little bit about Crondall Energy and what you guys are involved with.
Well, I think since we last spoke, one thing we'd like to talk about is a new tool that we've developed called the Zeta tool, zero emissions tracking and assessment tool, which is being used to assess the carbon emissions intensity of projects that we're working on, both greenfield and brownfield. And that's a very exciting development.
So this is predominantly an oil and gas sector specific product?
Yes, it is. And it's to understand what the carbon emissions may be from a development, if it's in the concept select stage, and help an operator to look at the design of their facility and see how they can minimize, given current technologies, the carbon emissions from their project.
Okay, so for the layman like myself, can you explain a little bit how that works?
Well, it's by taking essentially design inputs and saying, how much heat, for example, do we need in offshore processing? Can we use less heat? Because if we use less heat, we need less power. It's also looking at where we get our power from. Is the power coming from gas turbines, which is obviously very sort of carbon less efficient, or can we use wind turbine technology to supplement the power that we're using on our facilities and therefore drive down the emissions?
So very on topic. And geographically, where is this being employed at the moment?
Well, we're employing it on both concept select work here in the UK, on UK North Sea projects, but we're also employing it on projects as far away as Brazil and in Australia.
Fantastic. And I understand you're talking a bit later on today, is that right?
I am. We've got a slot at 2:30 this afternoon where we'll run through the Zeta tool and explain to everybody what we can do and why everybody should be engaging with it.
Well, thank you very much for talking to us. Good luck with your speech later on. Good plug for getting people to come along to that later on. And I hope the rest of the show is fruitful for you.
Very good. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.